guys, Laura and I just purchased our 5th CFMoto. This time it is a motor scooter. And boy does she freaking shit and get. Laura's gonna kill me. She's following me. She's following me. She's gonna kill me because it's brand new tires and they're slick. Let's see. It rides really good. It rides really good. And it seems like it's got a good amount of power. Sucks it's a rainy day though. Let's see, it's 6 speed. I asked him, is it 5 or 6? He said 5. It's definitely a 6 speed. We're in 5th gear, cruising, and we'll have to finish this video on another day when we get back. Looks like she wants 4th gear there. She wants 4th gear there, so. Wow, shifting is super smooth. Very smooth shifting. That clutch, oh my gosh, look at this. Wow, wow. Very soft, easy. It's comfortable to ride. Oh, I'm gonna be in heaven. I haven't had a motor scooter in years. It's definitely getting a freaking exhaust. That's like the first thing. Getting the exhaust, that's the first thing. First thing we're gonna do. I mean, she's got her. That is not bad. I know you guys are waiting to see what it is and what that I bought. But you're gonna have to wait until we get to do the walk around. She don't like burnouts. He told me how to break it in. He said you have to ride it easy, and I said no, full send out the box. Boy, all the money I spent there, and that's all the gas they can give me. This thing has got plenty of power for what it is. Not bad. Not bad at all. One thing I gotta remember though, I'm not gonna say on video, never mind. She really likes the lower gears. A little cold on the hands, boys. She don't like to shift without the clutch. Definitely got to use the clutch. That's for sure. So you guys are probably wondering why I bought the 300NK street bike. You probably clicked on this video thinking that I bought another side-by-side, but the truth of the matter is I've been wanting a street bike for a very long time. I haven't had a street bike in about 8 years, and I really miss it. I'm not a highway rider. I'm a back road cruiser. That's where I like to be. That's, you know, mellow and relaxed. And I didn't want a powerhouse machine. I'm not a extravagant rider on 2 wheels these days. I just like to go out and relax and and mellow out my mind. So I chose the 300 because I was going to go with the 650 or the 700, and I sat on them. I liked them, but honestly, I felt like I didn't need that power. Also, I kept YouTube in mind with you guys, and I thought, you know what would the average rider get? You're probably going to go with the least cost-effective unit that's going to get the job done. And I felt like this was it. Now, it was a step above the CFMoto Papio, which I did go look at. I did sit on. I did like it, but I'm a 350-pound guy, and I just felt like it was just too small for me. But maybe somebody who's 150 pounds, maybe even 200 pounds, they would ride it just fine. I could have rode it just fine, but I didn't want to be cramped on it. My last motorcycle that I had was a 700 Shadow Honda. It was like an 88 model, and I was cramped on it. It was a bigger bike, but I was cramped on it. This bike, I sat on it for a little bit and figured I'm actually pretty comfortable on it. This is a 6-speed manual shift, obviously. And guys, don't let the 300 scare you, because it does put power to the ground very nicely. CFMoto, I give you props, and I know this is a collaboration between you and KTM, but you both need to get some credit in this, because I was honestly thinking this thing would be just a little bit more power than an overgrown scooter, but I couldn't have been more wrong. It really puts the power to the ground, and the guy that I was buying it from at the dealership, he was trying to tell me that you couldn't ride the highway with this. You wouldn't keep up with traffic. It wouldn't have enough power. And you know what? When somebody tells me I can't do something, I'm the kind of guy that has to prove them wrong. And I feel like this was a great purchase. It was $5,200 out the door, so it wasn't that bad of a price, and it's got plenty of power. It's got enough power you could get hurt on it. It's no crotch rocket, 1,000 cc's or nothing like that, but if you're out riding with your buddies and stuff, which what I plan to do, and all my buddies, they got cruisers. They're not going fast anyway, and I didn't want to go fast. So I got this in hopes that we can do some YouTube videos. It does need to have an exhaust modification. That is like the first thing. It might happen like this weekend, but it needs to be a little bit louder. Other than that, power delivery is on point. It's got eco mode, sport mode. When it gets nicer out, we'll go over this display. I want to play with it a little bit more, but it's got the app. You can do the app and hook your phone to it, and it has like some kind of ride statistics that will tell you about your ride. Fuel economy, I'll have to get back to you on that, but it's probably way better in your car, so there's that. Fit and finish on this bike is very nice. The paint quality is nice. The handlebars, I'm going to show you guys an up close footage of the handlebars. These handlebars are super nice. Like CFMoto, good job. The hand grips, they're a little My hands kind of go numb on them, so I feel like changing out the hand grips is probably the next upgrade for sure to help that. But I know most of that, I have nerve damage and stuff from being a mechanic, so it's really really hard for me to ride the four-wheeler, even though I enjoy it so much. It's really hard for me to ride anything with handlebars. It's hard for me to ride for a very long period of time. I have to stop because my arms and stuff go numb. But a good set of hand grips does help with that. I think I only have like 13 miles on this thing so far. So I did put some miles on it today, just enough. It's been cold and rainy here, but I got enough miles on it that I can comfortably tell you that it's a good little bike, and it does ride very good. The seat is super comfortable. It's soft, and it does have a little seat here where you could put like a 3-year-old. I wouldn't really ride your girlfriend back there unless she weighs like 50 pounds, but it does have another seat for a rider. But for big people like me, it's barely enough room for me, but it's comfortable. It's a very comfortable ride, and I'm super happy with the purchase. And I must say, these tires, they grip very, very well. Like, good job CFMoto on the tires. We'll see how many miles we get out of them, because this summer I will be putting on a lot of miles on this thing with you guys. I'll be bringing you guys along with me. If there's anything you'd like to know about this machine that I could maybe point out, let me know, because I'll do a detailed video on it. Maybe we'll dive in, maybe we'll try and tune it. Really, it doesn't, I mean, it's perfect. I'm not a power hungry kind of guy on two wheels. I save that for the woods, not the streets. But I did get on it a little bit here in this video to just show you guys I have plenty of power. Other than that, that's not how I ride my motorcycle. So, all right, guys, peace out and God bless. Let me know in the comment section anything you'd like to know about this bike, and I'll be glad to answer your question. It is new to me. I need some time to, you know, go around it and get to know it and feel for it and all that stuff. But we'll take care of you. Peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.